Hi girls, I'm Dr. Jasy, a lecturer teaching computer science at University Science Malaysia, USM. If you have played games on a mobile phone or a computer, have you ever wondered how games are created? Now, computer games are created through coding, that is, writing lines of codes to command the computer to perform the task that you want it to do. Although I have been fascinated with computers when I was your age, I never really knew how games were created until I entered university. So, my team from USM and Telebort, the Girls in ICT GICT Task Force, would like to encourage all of you to start early and start young in becoming technology creators. Coding is fun, and we want to empower you to create your own games. In our Girls to Code CodeMaven 1.0 event, come join us in a series of virtual coding camps to learn how to create a simple game using Scratch. Then, showcase your newfound coding skills in our Game Jam Coding Challenge to win bragging rights and prizes. What are you waiting for? Register today, and I will see you at our CodeMaven 1.0 launch day on 22nd April 2021. See you there.